In this video, we are going to work on resolving a new issue called user fatal message 5626, item code 66, reference on DRS1 entry with stress type is invalid for element type. So here, this message is saying that there is an issue with the item code I'm using. Let's go ahead and look at my web app. I've only had one constraint defined for this web app. Here, another way you can tell which constraint it's referring to is by the ID number. This one's referring to ID number 8,000,001. So again, I only have one entry, so I know this one's the 8,000,001. Let's look at the stress item code, 66. And let's go ahead and confirm that this is a valid item code to use. Here, I'm referring to the MSC Nastran Quick Reference Guide. Refer to Chapter 6, Table 4.3, I believe, or 4.2, or 3.1 actually. Let's go ahead and, there's Table 6.1. This is where you should look for a P-bar entry, and we're using the other type of C-bar element, a linear C-bar element 34. And here, the first thing you'll notice is that, one, there is no item code 66. The highest item code you have is 16. And here, I just remembered, the item code I wanted to use was 6 for the axial stress of this beam. I must have accidentally typed an additional 6 here. So now that my outputs have been updated here on the right, I can take these outputs, copy them, and replace the old ones in my design model. So let's go ahead and copy these. Here on the right is my design model. You'll see that the 66 is here, but after replacing these entries for the design constraint, it now says 6. So now if I perform this optimization again, the error should be gone and I should have that successful message saying run terminated due to hard convergence. So let's go ahead and run this model again. And one thing I'll point out is that my email address was at the beginning of the video. If you have any questions regarding this message or any message related to optimization, please email me and then we'll definitely work with you. Also, this web app that makes it really simple for you to create your statements for optimization. If you're interested in access to this web app, this is available in the more advanced training I provide. With this, let's go ahead and look at our new F06 file, and the optimization is still happening, so the F06 file is not complete yet. But the first thing you'll notice is that the new F06 file is a lot longer than the old one. It gets to line 1335, whereas before we got up to line 499. So now there's more progression in the optimization. It's a good indication that the optimizer has made it farther than before. Now here on the right is the final F06 file. We see at the very bottom this message run terminated due to hard convergence. This is indicating, one, the error message is no longer there. And number two, the optimization went through successfully. And that's how we resolve this user fatal message 5626. Again, if you have any comments, questions, feedback, my email address is at the beginning of the video. Definitely feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.